Stevie, must be fantastic feeling to get back on a score sheet.
Yeah, it's fantastic to be back, just to be involved with the lads again and out there in front of the support, playing football, what I love doing, and to get a win and to get on the score sheet was perfect return for me.
Lovely bit of play between Jay Spearin and Jordan Henderson, two young lads, did it well.
Yeah, I thought they were fantastic tonight, but good team performance, very positive. We haven't got the rewards we deserve of late. We've been battered away at the door, getting loads of shots off, loads of chances. Keepers have been getting man of the matches, and we haven't got the rewards we deserve. But tonight it came, we were patient and thoroughly deserved our win.
It was a fantastic way to end 2011, really, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. For me personally, it's been an absolute nightmare, and also for the team it was great to finish it on a high. Now we need to push on, we need to keep building and keep putting in a good fight for this top 4 position.
And now the first of 3 meetings with Manchester City.
Yeah, bring it on. I mean, they're a fantastic team. They've started the season really well, but we've got nothing to fear. I think we showed against them here a couple of weeks ago that we can more than match them. These are exciting games. You don't fear these, and these are the games. As a player, you want to play, and I can't wait for them.
Your away form has been terrific, hasn't it?
Yeah, of course. We've been really strong on the road. It's at home where we haven't got the results that our footballs deserve. So yeah, we go in there full of confidence and we give it our best shot and see where it takes us.
And finally, Stevie, got a message to the Liverpool fans for the new year?
Yeah, on behalf of me and all the team, I'd like to wish everyone a happy 2012.